Okay. Hmm? Yeah. Okay, this is the famous sandwich shop that I see in some videos on YouTube. And I want to try one of the sandwiches. This is my seat right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Perfect.
Pineapple juice, Estadao, beterraba.
That's beets. Beets. Beterrabas is beets.
Yes, beets.
Nah, yeah, beet juice.
Carrot juice.
Yeah, no, the banana's fine.
But it's banana with milk. It's like a smooth. It's like a
milkshake.
Vitamin. It's not smoothie. It's like a vitamin.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Vitamins.
Juices, melancia, strawberry, melon, maracuja.
Let's do the melancia. Melancia. So, what's the name of this restaurant? Estadao. 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 I was close. Estadao. And I've seen this restaurant on YouTube from a couple of YouTubers, and I saw the sandwich and I said, I gotta try it next time I'm here. So I'm here. Not a real big fan of pork, but I'm willing to try it. Those are some huge sandwiches. This right here is a coxina with the real chicken leg inside, which is frango. Interesting. Nah, it's fine.
You want to have, there's not too much noise here now.
This right here is not in America. I have never seen this.
Like Flintstones.
Like the Flintstones, yes. And I guess when I say how many, what's the word that your sister used? Kinsdaji, not Trish Daji. She was saying like it's a lot. More than one is a whole bunch. What's that word again? Unless she made it up. But it's like she was saying that there's a lot of juice on the table. A lot of juice. A bunch. Many. Something like Daji.
Daji. Daji.
Quench.
Daji.
Yeah, that's what she said. Quench.
Yes, how many is quench?
Yeah, look at you. You don't even know. You don't even know how to speak Portuguese.
Yes, you are doing very well.
No, you're doing bad. Almost looks like turkey. So the sandwich is here, the melancia is here, which is actually like a watermelon. And the two sandwiches are here. Yes, that's what I was looking for. I'll watch you. Show me how it's done. Show me how it's done. Okay, so you take it like this. That's how you eat it. Almost look like a steak and cheese. So we got cheese, some type of pork.
One at 10.
Daí você já falou pra ele, falou? Cara, é foda.
Pretty good. Let's put the pepper sauce on it. I know. Put some fire on it. That makes it better.
Better.
It makes it better, yeah. get a sandwich. I give it a 7.5.
That's it? I'm not hungry.
You say you're not hungry.
Yeah, no.
I can tell. Yeah, I can tell you're not hungry.
Happy meio que será que é forte?
Mac and cheese.
Yes. I didn't think I was going to be able to eat this much of this sandwich.